So yeah, I'm wearing the mask. I'm a good girl.
He's not. He's not a good boy.
We were not. Thumbnail आ गया bro. Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my another video. Today, yes, we have got two guests with us, and we are going to do a review video which recently got uploaded on Habib University's channel. So let's just start it. I know you guys are excited about the title, but I will explain why I've said that. Welcome to Freshman Fest 2020. Today, I'll be your host and I'm gonna take you along. So just grab some popcorns and all you gotta do is sit back and relax. First of all, it's 2022 or मैं 2023 क्यों? But खैर. There's no entry without.
The intro was nice. I saw one of my friends.
Really?
Yeah.
Cool. Chalo, let's continue. Now the mask. Even if you forget, staff is here to help you. After that, you need to cross a temperature checkpoint and then head towards MPR. A SOP instruction video is shown which clearly says to sanitize your hand after every 20 minutes. To be honest, our university never This took
she's anonymous.
है ना? This took so long कि इसका voice overs अलग से थे और मैं voice overs कर रही थी and then Hassan was disturbing me कि भाई बस किसी भी तरह से was just disturbing me और शमा को तो बस हमने ऐसे ही grab कर लिया था कि भाई आ जाओ बस वीडियो करनी है. Never compromises on SOPs, whether it be guards, students or faculty, we all need to follow it. Thanks to HU that we don't need to.
The mask. You're not wearing the mask by saying.
I had to obviously. अच्छा they were like कि मास्क नीचे रखना, मैंने कहा कि मैं completely उतार देती हूँ, नीचे रखना looks really weird, जैसे अभी मैंने नहीं रखा हुआ है, but I do have a mask. Yeah. Need to carry sanitizers every single time. So अभी योगा. So this shot हमने अलग से किया था जिसमें मैं कर रही थी, हाँ sanitize. By the way, this sanitizer is not that good, but okay.
But
it does the job.
Yeah.
But I don't like the
texture. Yeah.
हाँ
it's
texture,
super
है ना?
dry. Yeah.
What do you think? तुमने use किया?
I have used it. Like, but I didn't notice that. I just
Also-
used it. Also sanitizer.
Do you guys like sanitize yourselves when she asked, on the gate, कि आप लोग sanitize कर लें? Do you guys
Yeah,
do
they
it?
asked me once only. They like.
हाँ मुझे भी एक दो दफा ही बोला है.
नहीं, she tells me every time because she knows I don't. But then I do it afterwards. So
Yeah, I usually wash my hands.
Exactly.
Yeah, मैं इतना sanitizer नहीं use
Savera
करती.
is a pro.
So अभी योगा चल रहा है. We're gonna see what's happening and how our new badge is.
Today I had a really nice session with the Habib University students for their
She was so nice. मतलब इनने second go में किया था. कोई takes नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं. Second go में she's like, cool man.
orientation. And we just did a short 45-minute relaxing flow, focusing on breath and doing a bit of meditation. I was observing them and they did really, really well.
We just got done with the yoga.
Our batch did not do this stuff. Yoga.
है ना yoga?
होना
It was
चाहिए था.
fun. It was fun.
But it was sort of,
Tiring?
yeah.
हाँ.
And we got pura OB. They didn't. So it was sort of a
हाँ.
compensation for them. More of a compensation.
True. Session. So अभी हम जाएंगे Shireen Lakmi का lecture सुनने and I've heard she's very amazing. और let's just go. Very amazing.
How amazing is she? I want to know now.
What is this intro?
ये basically Shireen Lakmi का lecture हो रहा था. उससे पहले I had to put a link to it कि मैं लेकर जा रही हूँ.
Is Shireen
Uday.
Lakmi sort of a motivational speaker? Or
हाँ. She is a really good motivation speaker. उनका session बहुत अच्छा था. Like yeah, she was one of the best.
मोटरवे पे एक बड़ा अच्छा बोर्ड लगा हुआ था. उसमें लिखा था Those will be commanded who do not obey themselves. वो हमेशा गुलामी में रहेंगे जो अपना हुक्म नहीं पहचान सकते और सुन सकते और मान सकते.
है
Oh
ना?
my God.
This
This
was
attacked me.
It was like a
Exactly.
wake-up call. That's enough.
हाँ है ना. ये तो सिर्फ एक कोट था but entire lecture was so good. मतलब मुझे इनका सबसे अच्छा लगा and there was one another जो तुम लोग ने I think सुना हुआ है उनका भी. So we are done with the Audi session और अब हम जाएंगे lunch पे. It's basically the lunch with faculty और इसमें आपको दोनों schools की faculties मिलेंगे and even if you're in CND, right, and you want to switch to the SSC if by chance, so you can meet the faculty and get to know them more.
मेरा शुरू में ही लोगों को CND वालों को if you want to switch to DSSC मतलब
वैसे कर सकते हैं ना, we can.
but you did not mention about any other major just CND to DSSC मतलब
वैसे यूजुअली लोग करते नहीं है ना, they come to CND.
Planning on to shift?
नहीं नहीं नहीं. What are you expecting from the new batch?
Entering university is not easy.
इतना लंबा
You could
सेशन
have
क्या
asked
था?
him anything but this question.
यार मैं क्या पूछती? It was so sudden. I'm like कि कुछ तो पूछना ही है.
the most cliche question. But okay, let's see what he says.
During a global pandemic is, yeah, it's tough. So I expect you guys have to develop quite soon resilience, stubbornness, commitment, more than the other students.
Was that directed towards you or not?
इनसे मैंने पूछा था, वो obviously इसमें गया नहीं है. उसमें जाके do you know the difference between biryani and pulao, and he actually knew the difference. He's like biryani is the yellow wali and pulao is the other one.
He says ठीक है, कोई मसला नहीं है. I was, talking to him and he was like, हाँ कोई. He knew some Urdu के words and I was like, I was
Yeah.
shocked, but
Yeah, obviously he's living in Pakistan.
हाँ, he was telling
तो
कि
आती
3
होगी.
साल हो गए हैं.
हाँ.
How motivated you felt after taking some amazing lectures with Shireen Naqvi and Kainat Imtiaz?
The thing that really popped out of Miss Shireen's lecture was the way she said, never let go of your dreams. People are going to say ifs and buts, don't listen to them, just keep your sight on your dreams. And another thing she said was the power of and. आप ये भी कर सकते, आप ये भी कर सकते. Don't limit yourself to one thing, don't inhibit yourself to one thing.
Yeah, that's for CND. Just do everything.
Everything.
Everything. Filmmaking, animation, सब कुछ.
सब कुछ आगे कर लो. Lunch with faculty went pretty well और अब हम जा रहे हैं Audi में and we're gonna see some more speakers are about to come and I'm really excited to meet one of the speakers. Okay, so he is finally here and we're just gonna go backstage and see what's happening. Okay, I'm entering this stage now just to get this shot.
You're stalking somebody. It feels like that.
नहीं लगा भी दिया. Like ये कट कर देते, मेरा बात करना कट कर देते.
No, it looks good. It's proper.
Sohail Zindani. I heard him in the TED Talk.
Yeah, that was the first time I met him
Even
as
the
well.
boxer.
Razia Banu.
Yes.
Yeah. So I've got a few questions for you and I'm doing this. See, I'm wearing the mask. I'm a good girl. For HU vlog.
He's not a good boy.
We were not. Thumbnail आ गया bro.
Comment आने वाला.
It's fine bro. Chill scene है, chill है.
This was just so abrupt. Oh my god.
Very honest.
वैसे I asked him not to wear it because that was the requirement. Khair, anyways. And the first question is, what keeps you connected with Habib?
Because I mean, I love this place, and when you love some place, you don't want them to call you. You just pop in, and I just love being here. It's amazing. It's amazing.
I'll give you 3 options and you gotta choose one and tell me why are you choosing that. So number 1 is leadership, second is confidence, and number 3 is positivity. I missed this. कुछ समझ आया?
You're asking him to choose one thing.
नहीं
na?
नहीं मैंने बोला number 1, number 2, number 3. It was supposed to be एक ही चीज. Yeah. But I was so
Did
confused.
you come up with these questions?
हाँ हाँ ये पूरा script मेरा है.
The question is nice. I mean, it's new. You don't ask
second.
people. I'm giving you 3 options. Select one.
Like all 3 of them are like that. Leadership, confidence, positivity.
I would easily choose leadership. Leadership is what the world needs. We need people to take up the charge to change the world out there. So always leadership.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, so
What would you choose? अगर तुम्हें पूछते.
Positivity.
Same. I would go for positivity. Like
This
positivity is the first step towards everything. Like
huh?
And people here
positivity is
need positivity. I mean, yes.
मतलब basis ही है positivity, like for everything, even for leadership.
And
yeah,
when you are
everything
positive,
else is second.
when you are positive, you uplift others, and then the whole environment is inclusive
Right,
and
just-
positive, and then there is fun to lead.
Achha, you
need
know,
to lead a pack of
You
people
don't
who are
just
motivated.
uplift others, you uplift yourself. Your
Exactly.
whole life is based on positivity or pessimism.
Obviously,
So be it.
nice.
that makes sense. So इसके बाद मैंने उनसे एक और question पूछा था कि if a person is negative and he has got the leadership qualities, तो पे he is gonna lead the world in negative direction, right? So he was like कि नहीं, leadership means you have to be positive. It's like in it.
No.
तो ये उनका था.
Not necessarily.
We
Yeah,
live in Pakistan and we know what people
Negativity is.
Yes.
Sorry. Popular leaders being negative.
Yes.
So we are done with the sessions and now I'm gonna go and meet some alumni. They are waiting for me. So let's just go and ask a few questions with them. So I've heard a lot of people say that bhai GPA matters a lot, right? So I'm in sophomore year as well and I'm like, yaar GPA matter karti hai shayad. Then I was like, okay, I'm gonna meet some alumni and just I'm gonna ask them. So tell me, what if... Did you see the problem here? Acha, anyway.
No, tell me.
No, anyway.
I didn't get it.
The pronunciation problem.
Alumni.
Yeah, it's alumni. लेकिन
I
इसमें
sort
मैंने
of figured, but then I was
alumni
like,
बोल दिया
I
था.
was like, this was not a mistake. Like,
हाँ,
Yeah. If GPA matters or not.
So in short, GPA does matter, but only in short term. Okay? It completely depends what do you want to do with yourself in future. Everything that depends in long term is the skills that you have and the skills that you can utilize is what matters. Like in short term, in Pakistani dynamics, for grad schools, for masters, GPA does matter.
Thank you so much for your time. Tell what Habib means to you.
Habib, I'll give a very cliche answer, but
Yes,
I'm
that's
very,
what I'm expecting from you.
but I'm very serious about.
I know him. I know.
let's just guess what he's gonna say. Say it.
Yeah.
What does Habib mean to you? क्या बोलूं?
बोलो.
बता वो मुझे से.
Yosin values?
Yeah.
What it means to me is really the slogan right there, Qimatu kulli amri ma yosin. It's the 5 values of Habib University that are very
100
important to
points
me.
to Gryffindor.
And they're very close to my heart, and whenever I am now in my job role and in my career path, I always reflect on these 5 values and I try to pursue all of them to the best I can.
Thank you so much, Ismail, for your time. So it's time to wrap up, and for me, the highlight of the day was to meet Shireen Naqvi. I just loved her energy, the way.
You didn't like Sohail Zindani.
So it was like 2 days.
Putting her on the spot right there. जवाब दीजिए समीरा.
And you were just there flattering alumni, and you were not excited to meet them.
Let me. See, highlight of the day एक ही होनी थी, right? I cannot pick 2, 3. But this was the day 1. तो day 1 में मैंने already बोल दिया था Shireen Naqvi. सोहेल जिंदानी day 2 पे आए थे. तो day 2 में जब मैंने नहीं कहा था कि मैं one of the best speakers से मिलने चाहिए, that was सोहेल जिंदानी. क्योंकि उसके बाद सोहेल जिंदानी क्या था?
The way vlog is proceeding looks like Monday.
मेरे कपड़े different है. If you watch it again, क्योंकि ये बहुत fast चल रहा है,
That was
बहुत छोटा है.
Transitions अच्छी हैं.
अच्छा लग रहा है
Doesn't feel that.
हाँ, yeah.
She used to talk, and just tell me your highlight of the day in the comments down below, and I am gonna check it, so you better do it. Comments in the off किए हुए पता है, nobody can comment now. इनकी actual video
That's
पे.
a glitch, man.
Better do it.
I love that shot. Yoga wala na.
That is all. What are your reviews? कैसा लगा? Rate out of 10. On my performance and on the video itself.
Okay, on your performance, 10, because obviously she's going to buy us something afterwards.
Price सही है.
So 11. सवेरा.
Oh my god.
I like the script, the way the vlog proceeded, the way it was written. I liked it.
I did a lot of
It was very new. It was sort of, we could relate to it. बहुत informal सा था.
Yeah.
It was not something, professional हो रहा है coach and something.
Yeah.
So it was nice.
Right, your turn.
What I loved about it is that you spoke so well. Like I've seen your other vlogs, and this one was the best as far as it comes to like speaking, because you were so natural. And
Oh,
it didn't
shukar,
feel-
it felt
It didn't
natural.
feel It didn't feel formal at all. या फिर थोड़ा सा भी uncomfortable नहीं हो रहा था उस वीक में.
Nice.
बहुत relatable है.
Yay.
And the other thing I liked about video is the transition time. मतलब बिल्कुल ऐसा
Editing.
लगा कि हाँ flow था बहुत ज़्यादा.
And
Ali
considering-
Bhai did
and
that.
Considering it is, you know, edited by Marcom, so yeah, it's
I know you guys clicked this video for the title. Okay, this is something that I've never told anyone, not you guys, nor you guys. So Habib does pay me, but it's like not for all of the vlogs that I've been doing it, right? Only for this vlog and the upcoming vlogs which are going to be uploaded on Habib's page. That will be paid, I think.
so
And
will you be the official vlogger for Habib University?
I don't know.
The
But
face of Habib University,
Let's
Savera
be
Ghaziani.
surprised because हम पहले दफा सुन रहे हैं.
okay, also we are going to start a new podcast series which will be related to student employment. Habib में और generally students कैसे employment कर रहे हैं और what are the options they should choose or they can choose it. So stay tuned for another video and
What do you say? Like,
You're gonna say what?
share and subscribe.
Subscribe.
okay, Allah Hafiz.
Subscribe.
अभी इधर करें. Okay, Allah Hafiz. See you guys in the next video.